Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Taking a look at the US30, got it open on a daily chart. A couple of things about this chart. Well, I've marked up this is our weekly open right here. As you can see, level weekly open, this orange line. Keep an eye on that as we move into the week. I'm always interested to see how this trades around this level. The weekly should give us a trend, and Monday, generally speaking, we see the market trade in the opposite direction to how it unfolds on Tuesday. I mean, that's something that occurs quite often. So I'm just keeping that in mind. Is this just a dip down here and we continue up? There's a couple of points of interest on this chart for me, and one of them is this imbalance. Have a look at this candle, this thin leg. If we look at the candle left and the candle right, we could mark that up. Now we've traded up and filled some of this. So my question is this trading down into liquidity here so that they can take it up and fill this gap, more or less, looking at this balance area up here? That's a possibility. Like, I'm always looking for an opportunity on the lower time frame to get involved, but we've got to come in here on the higher time frame and get a bit of a top-down perspective. So I'll just mark this as a weekly. What have I got? Hang on a sec. Let's mark that 1 week. Daily, I should say, not a weekly. All right, so we've got this distribution level up the top here, and we'll go down to the 4-hour chart and have a look. Now, the stock markets are pretty mixed at the moment. I mean, this is not really giving me anything. We're trading in between these two key levels here. So what I've done is I've marked up this white light shaded. I should go back to the daily to show you what that is. Just quickly go back. Yeah, okay, here we go. What I've done is I've just picked up the body of this candle here. Okay, so if we were to open this up on the lower time frame, you'll see that the market was consolidating through here. So I'm just grabbing that and calling it a key level on the daily time frame that we need to be aware of, pretty much. And then we've got this red candle here. I'm just taking the candle body and pulling that across. Now these two zones coincide with, if we go down to the 4-hour, this distribution level on the 4-hour time frame, okay, coincides with this daily, and we've got this accumulation here, 4-hour time frame, comes into play with this daily. At the moment, we're kind of hovering around in the middle here. These are my points of interest, as is this imbalance up here. I mean, I'll be looking to get involved, and it's most likely going to be if this trades down and we see this hold and it rotates here, possibly, or if it trades up. It's already had a couple of goes at that. It looks to me like it's wanting to travel down around here at the moment. What else can I say? Where we're kind of hovering around here. There's no trade set up yet. Let's just have a look at it on the 15. Kind of thing I'll be looking for would be, it's going to be in through here or up through here. We just got to wait for the market to see how it's giving us this, or it's giving us this. If it trades down and we see it set up some kind of a base, I'll be waiting for higher highs, higher lows. This kind of setup. If we start to pull back out through this range, I'd want to see a retest and fail here, or however it shapes up. But just be careful, because the markets are manipulated, as you're most likely aware of, and the kind of thing that we can get, well, similar to this. See how we've got these relative equal highs through here. Let's just mark this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Well, we get this range. Let's just pull it through here. I'm more interested in where you see it consolidate and trade sideways, and then you get this whippy price action above and below the range. So what it's doing, it's hunting liquidity here, and we get 3 touches above here and it trades off. So that's the kind of thing I might be looking for down here if it sort of ranges through here. But be careful. That could be to draw short traders in, and then we get something like that. All right, so just be aware. You want to wait for this kind of thing here. See how we've got the range, so look for the range and wait for the market to whip up and down through the range, and then we see lower high, that lower high, lower low, and you can look to get involved as this starts to shape up. This is a 15-minute time frame, and I'll be actually going down to a 3-minute, but this is the kind of price action I'll be looking for. Let's just have a quick look at this on the 3-minute and see what that looks like. Yeah, well, I mean, something like that. So you see, you know, lower high, lower low, and then, you know, that, look, if you're aggressive and it's trading out from an order block like this, I'm going to be looking for, look at this thin candle, comes back up. See this imbalance? I mean, that's a perfect entry right there. Okay, that's my take anyway on the US30 3-minute chart. We'll go back out. 4-hour at the moment. Just to sum up, it's kind of hovering in no man's land, and I'm looking for the opportunity to buy if it trades down in here. But yeah, depending on how it price action shapes up in here, because we could go lower. It's Monday. Be careful. I think trading for me, my best day is Tuesday. That's when the market shapes up and we start to see like a trend for the week forming, and I like to get into some opportunities on Tuesday. So Monday's mainly going to be sitting back watching and just waiting to see how it all shapes up. Okay guys, US30, that's my take. With that, safe trading. Oh, join Discord, the link is below. I'd love to see you in there. Okay, see you in the next video.